Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover class 11th biology chapter 8 Cell the Unit of Life part 2. Let's start. First question. Which one of the following does not differ in E. coli and Chlamydomonas? A. Cell membrane. B. Ribosome. C. Chromosomal organization. D. Cell wall. The correct option is option number A, which is cell membrane. Next question. Question number 2. The plasma membrane consists of A. Protein embedded in a phospholipid bilayer, B. Protein embedded in a polymer of glucose molecule, C. Proteins embedded in a carbohydrate bilayer, D. Phospholipid embedded in a protein bilayer. The correct option is option number A, which is proteins embedded in a phospholipid bilayer. Next question. Question number 3. Middle lamella is mainly composed of A. Hemicellulose, B. Calcium pectate, C. Maramic acid, D. Phosphoglycerides. The correct option is option number B, which is calcium pectate. Next question. Question number 4. Plasmodesmata are A. Locomotory structure, B. Lignified cement between cells, C. Connection between adjacent cells, D. Membranes connecting nucleus and plasma lemma. The correct option is option number C, which is connection between adjacent cells. Next question. Question number 5. Which is correct in view of fluid mosaic model? A. Proteins can flip-flop, lipids cannot. B. Neither protein nor lipids can flip-flop. C. Both lipids and protein can flip-flop. D. Lipids can rarely flip-flop, proteins cannot. The correct option is option number D, which is lipids can rarely flip-flop, proteins cannot. Next question. Question number 6. Which is not constituent of cell membrane? Options are A. Glycolipids, B. Phospholipids, C. Cholesterol, D. Proline. The correct option is option number D, which is proline. Next question. Question number 7. In fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane, A. Upper layer is non-polar and hydrophilic, B. Polar layer is hydrophobic, C. Phospholipids form a bimolecular layer in middle part, D. Proteins form a middle layer. The correct option is option number C, which is phospholipids form a bimolecular layer in middle part. Next question. Question number 8. Difference in gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria is due to A. Cell wall, B. Cell membrane, C. Ribosome, D. Cytoplasm. The correct option is option number A, which is cell wall. Next question. Question number 9. Difference between eukaryotes and prokaryotes. A. SS circular DNA in prokaryotes, B. Histone with prokaryotic DNA, C. Operin in eukaryotes, D. Membrane bound organelles in eukaryotes. The correct option is option number D, which is membrane bound organelles in eukaryotes. Next question. Question number 10. The desmosomes are concerned with A. Cell division, B. Cell adherence, C. Cytolysis, D. Cellular excretion. The correct option is option number B, which is cell adherence. Next question. Question number 11. Active and passive transport across cell membrane differ in A. Passive transport in non-selective, B. Passive transport is along a concentration gradients, while active transport is due to metabolic energy, C. Active transport is more rapid, D. Passive transport is confined to anion, while active transport is confined to cations. The correct option is option number B, which is passive transport is along the concentration gradients, while active transport is due to metabolic energy. Next question. Question number 12. Cell recognition and adhesion occurs due to biomolecules of cell membrane named A. Proteins, B. Lipids, C. Proteins and lipid. D. Glycoprotein, glycolipids. The correct option is option number D, which is glycoprotein and glycolipids. Next question. Question number 13. Cell wall shows A. Complete permeability, B. Semi permeability, C. Differential permeability, D. Impermeability. The correct option is option number A, which is complete permeability. Next question. Question number 14. Plasma membrane is made of A. Protein and carbohydrates, B. Protein and lipids, C. Protein, lipids and carbohydrates, D. Protein, some nucleic acid and lipids. The correct option is option number C, which is protein, lipids and carbohydrates. Next question. Question number 15. According to fluid mosaic model, plasma membrane composed of A. Phospholipids and oligosaccharides, B. Phospholipids and hemicellulose, C. Phospholipids and integral protein, D. Phospholipids, extrinsic protein and intrinsic protein. The correct option is option number D, which is phospholipids, extrinsic protein and intrinsic protein. Next question. Question number 16. The Golgi complex participates in A. Fatty acid breakdown, B. Formation of secretory vesicle, C. Respiration in bacteria, D. Activation of amino acids. The correct option is option number B, which is formation of secretory vesicles. Next question. Question number 17. Fluid mosaic model of cell membrane was put forward by A. Danelli and Davison, B. Singer and Nicholson, C. Garner and Allard, D. Watson and Crick. The correct option is option number B, which is Singer and Nicholson. Next question. Question number 18. Which one of the following events does not occur in rough endoplasmic reticulum? The correct options are A. Protein folding, B. Protein glycosylation, C. Cleavage of single peptide, D. Phospholipid synthesis. The correct option is option number D, which is phospholipid synthesis. Next question. Question number 18. Select the correct matching in the following pairs. Options are A. Rough ER synthesis of glycogen, B. Rough ER oxidation of fatty acids, C. Smooth ER oxidation of phospholipid, D. Smooth ER synthesis of lipids. The correct option is option number D, which is smooth ER synthesis of lipids. Next question. Question number 19. The osmotic expansion of a cell kept in water is chiefly regulated by A. Ribosome, B. Mitochondria, C. Vacuoles, D. Plastids. The correct option is option number C, which is vacuoles. Let's see the last question. Question number 20. You have to answer this question. So let's read the question first. A major site for synthesis of lipids is A. Nucleoplasm, B. RER, C. SER, D. Symplast. So if you know the answer, do comment in the comment section. And now let's just discuss the previous question. This question is from part 1 of this chapter, which was asked in the previous video. The question was, organelles can be separated from cell homogenate through A. Chromatography, B. X-ray diffraction, C. Differential centrifugation, D. autoradiography. So correct option is option number C, which is differential centrifugation. So let's end this video here. Thank you very much for watching the video, and do comment in the comment section if you like our video. Next part of this chapter will be uploaded soon. Thank you.